Morning, guys. Morning. How's everybody doing? What's up? So this morning we're gonna be making some rice out of my rice cooker, and it's right here. With the push of a magic button. Oh man, this is where the magic happens. This is where all the magic happens, is when you press this button and it goes boom into the cooking mode. So now we just gotta wait roughly like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and we should be good. Alright, it is done. And then look at the steam, and you can see the steam come out. That's how you really know this. So, this is what I usually do whenever it's done. Pop it open, and then start stirring it. Soggy, wet. Yeah, just gotta wait a little bit, maybe 5 more minutes, and we'll be good. Yeah, I missed a couple times because there's no headroom, and I'm trying to hold the camera at the spot, so Well, all right, guys. Shoot, it's a boring ass day today. We have nothing much to do, and I'm officially done with my band, set up. Maybe I might build something, but if I do, I'll upload that, later on tonight. And yeah, just relaxing. Watch this guy. See? Look at him. He's chilling, looking outside. Guys, so that's it for this video. There's nothing much to cooking rice but cooking rice, so catch y'all on the next one and see what it is.